Well, welcome back. We are getting going here, and we're going to talk about some basic drawing lessons. And so there's some fundamental things about drawing. And anybody know what this shape is? I hope you do. It's a circle. And what is this? Another circle. But this one looks different, doesn't it? This one is one-dimensional, and this is three-dimensional, and it looks really different, but they're the same. They are called a sphere. And so today we're going to learn how to take a circle and turn it into something that looks three-dimensional. And there's some really basic keys that we're gonna learn today, and you're going to improve your drawing skills in just a few minutes. I'm so excited to teach you. Okay, so one of the first things that we have to do when we are drawing is establishing where the light is coming from. Where is your light source? So mine is coming from over here on this side, and so that's where I'm going to put my light source. So go ahead and take your pencil and draw your light. Some people like, and this is just for reference, so you can remember when we are going in and we're shading our image. Okay, so now we're going to draw our sphere, which is another word for circle. Okay, so I've got my light source. Doesn't have to be perfect circle. Okay, and in order to make this a three-dimensional object, you want to shadow. You want to add a shadow. So you can just kind of do a little bit of scribbling over here. Okay, and maybe a little bit more in here. And you can do it a little darker here. It's really easy to do. Okay, now you can even just take your finger. Look at that, how it blends in, and it just makes it look nice. You can go back and add maybe a little bit more. You can do a little bit up here if you want. Okay, now the object is also going to create a shadow over here. That will look something like this. Here's the ground, that's where it's sitting, okay? That's where your darkest shadow is going to be. Okay? And then it goes out and it gets lighter. Okay? Can you turn on the light, babe? So let's just look at this. Look at our pencil. See where the shadow from the light is? It's darker the closer you get to the object. Okay? The apple. This one, we actually have two light sources, so that kind of is confusing, but if you can see that closer to the apple is darker, and then as it goes out, it gets lighter. So go ahead and turn that back off. It's kind of confusing. Here, maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah, so that's our basic lesson, and I would love to see you guys do your own rendition of a sphere. Maybe even take an apple or another object and you do your basic shape and then turn it into an apple. What does an apple look like? And look at the apple, see where the shadows are. Got darker towards the middle, lighter towards the outside. We've got a stem. This is a really quick one. And it's okay just to have fun, practice looking at the colors and the shading around the object, and just have fun with it. See what you guys can come up with. Okay, so that's our first drawing lesson. And that's it. So I wanted to share one more thought that I have about becoming an artist, and that is our attitude is the most important part of that. When I was younger, I struggled with just wanting to do my art just like I was seeing it done by people who are really experienced. And it gets kind of frustrating when you think, oh, I can do that. I can do it just like that. And you do it and it's not just like what you're seeing. So your art is not going to look like anyone else's art. It's going to be yours and it's original. And the great thing is it doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if your egg is not a perfect shape or your circle is not perfectly round, because it's okay. It's gonna be all right. So I'm really excited about learning with you. We're gonna all learn together. The more we practice, the better we're going to become, and just practice on having a great positive attitude about the work that you do. And I can't wait to see all of your pictures of the art that you've created, and I am excited about this class. We'll see you next time.